Today's Monday. Wanted to bring you guys along on some routine apartment maintenance work orders. They said the toilet is leaking, and it looks like it's been leaking a while, man. That didn't just start today. I can see a drip coming off the toilet supply line there. Easy fix, but gee whiz, guys. Y'all got to say something earlier. Yeah, this is what most of my days consist of throughout the week. It's not all glory HVAC fixes and big leaks. This is pretty much what apartment maintenance is. So I figured I'd take you guys along on the old routine day. Today's Monday, and there's a lot of stuff in there. I'm by myself today because my coworker was on call on the weekend and we get Monday off. Yeah, this is a real simple fix, but they let it leak for a long time. Just go back with a brand new supply line, screw it on, and we're done. Move on to the clogged tub. They also said their tub was clogged. This thing looks like it's been leaking for at least a week, maybe longer. Give this a little tiny turn up here. I go hand tight till I can't tighten with my hand, and I give it a little bump with the old pliers just to snug it up. Just snug it up. I can't get my whistle going this morning. Snug it up. And there's the old one. The old gasket gets worn out. I've given it a few flushes and it's good to go. I like to put a piece of toilet paper down so I can see if it drips. You see it more easy with the toilet paper. And we're good. Just needed a doggone supply line. Man, if it would have gone any more, we would have had a rotten baseboard, rotten cabinet. Can't let it go that long, man. I'd hate that something that simple to cause a bunch of damage. Alright, we'll move on to the clogged tub. Yeah, you can tell we got a clogger here from all the crud around the drain. Definitely not draining. I have a lot of guys that ask me why I don't use those drain zippets. Because those zippets don't get razor caps and shampoo bottle caps out, and they just pull the hair out, and they're messy too, man, in my opinion. Start spitting water all over you if it's real clogged, you know. Just don't use zippets because it doesn't get the caps and all the other crap out of it. I like to pull the drain off and do it this way. Put my sheetrock knife in there and swirl it like sketty. piece of paper or something. See, that's why I don't use Zippets, man. It doesn't get, Zippets don't get things like this out of there. That'll work. All right, we're at another work order. Totally different apartment. The leaky toilet and the clogged drain was all in the same apartment. This work order said they have a wasp nest, but I wouldn't call that a wasp nest. Hit the old foamer. And they got another little one right there. No more though, that was it. Turn the water back on. All secure. Alright, faucet secure. No leaks. Their home side to be quiet. Alright, on to the next one. Yeah, that's how we do the old washer and dryer move. Got my chain right here hooked to the cart tailgate. We'll just pull it. Alright, that's pretty much a routine day here in Dirty Maintenance Land. Thank y'all for watching. Dirty Maintenance Show.